readers, and for the beginners who are longing for good English, which could be easily learned. The books contain sufficient vocabulary and grammar which expresses the views and ideas in an understandable manner. These books will enable the students to read, write, and learn English to speak with pleasure. The activities have been designed in such a manner that students can frame their own sentence with proficiency. In the light of above, it is said that Aloha English Smart is the need of the hour and all the sundry. Thank you. Went through the audience. They rose to their feet with the shouts of applause for 2 full minutes. The next day, all the papers lionized him as the greatest figure and the best speaker of the parliament. The unknown young monk became known throughout the United States of America. We shall now present the soul-stirring lecture of Swami Vivekananda by Master Karthik as it is.
Sisters and brothers of America, it fills my heart with joy unspeakable to rise in response to the warm and cordial welcome which you have given us. I thank you in the name of the most ancient order of monks in the world. I thank you in the name of Mother of Religions. And I thank you in the name of millions and millions of Hindu people of all classes and sects. I am proud to belong to the religion which has taught the world both tolerance and universal acceptance. We believe not only in universal toleration, but we accept all religions as true. I am proud to tell you that we have gathered in our bosom the purest remnant of the Israelites who came to southern India and took refuge with us, in which their very year their holy temple was shattered to pieces by Roman tyranny. I am proud to belong to the religion which has taught the world both tolerance and universal acceptance. The present convention, which is one of the most august assemblies ever held, is in itself a vindication, a declaration to the world of the wonderful doctrine preached in the Gita. Whosoever comes to me, through whatsoever form, I reach him. All men are struggling through paths which in the end lead to me. Ye yathamam prapadyante tam sthaiva bhajamyaham mama vartanuvartante manushya partha sarvashaha. The present convention, which is one of the most august assemblies ever held, is in itself a vindication, a declaration to the world of the wonderful doctrine preached in the Gita. Ye yathamam prapadyante tam sthaiva bhajamyaham mama vartanuvartante manushya partha sarvashaha. Whosoever comes to me, through whatsoever form, I reach him. All men are struggling through paths which in the end lead to me. Sectarianism, bigotry, and its horrible descendant fanatism have long possessed this beautiful earth. They have filled the earth with violence, drenched it often and often with human blood, destroyed civilization, and sent whole nations to despair. Had it not been for these horrible demons, human society would be far more advanced than it is now. But their time is come, and I fervently hope that the bell that tolled this morning in honor of this convention would be the death knell of all fanaticism, of all persecutions with the sword or with the pen, and of all uncharitable feelings between persons wending their way to the same goal. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Thank you.
Thank you, Kirti and Karthik. That was very nice. And now, I would like to invite the RP Road Center students, because now the students of English Smart of RP Road Center will present you with a skit about Aloha India. So I guess it's going to be very entertaining and exciting for you as well. So please bear with us a little more time, and your most awaited event will be following. Thank you.
We, the students of Aloha English Smart, are here to present a short skit in front of you. And the characters are me, Rishabh Jain, as the narrator, Sejal Jain as the teacher, Ruchi Arora and Siddharth Jain as the ex-students, Yash Jain, Mohit Jain, Rohit Jain and Siddharth Papa as the students. And here the skit starts at the ex-students' house. Ruchi. Are you blind, deaf or dumb? I guess a statue.
I'm neither of it, Siddharth. I know you would again come and disturb me. Please leave me alone.
I've got a great news for you.
I know. It will all be all of your stuff. Please leave me alone.
But it's about Aloha.
Aloha? Oh, come on. I would like to listen to you. Please.
But I won't tell you.
Please, you're my sweet brother. Please.
Okay, don't try to pacify me. However, I'm going to tell you. Aloha India has started a new express, Aloha Travels, and I've got two passes. Would you like to join me?
Yes, why not? I'll just be back in 2 minutes.
Oh God, her 2 minutes are like 2 hours.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please fasten your seat belts. We are about to board the train. A train, one of its kind. In the train.
Hey Ruchi, it's being late. Let us go.
Yes, you know, Aloha India has started many new things. 9 Smart, Kinder Start, Speed Maths, and what not. Oh God.
Yeah, it's been a long time since we have read one.
You know, there's a state level competition going to be held on 22nd January.
Yeah, unfortunately, we cannot participate in that.
Yes, it's a bad luck.
Oh yeah, it's been late. Let us go and give ma'am a surprise. Yeah.
In the class.
Let's peep in. Don't make noise.
Look, someone is there.
Children, can we please concentrate? Don't make noise.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can we come in?
Of course you can.
Good evening, ma'am.
Oh, Ruchi Siddharth. So you were the cause of this mischief.
No, ma'am, Ruchi.
No, ma'am. He's always kidding.
Siddharth, what happened to your hand?
Ma'am, she pushed me, ma'am.
You know, ma'am, I'm the youngest one, so I did.
Would you like to join them? They are my students.
Ma'am, won't you introduce them?
Of course I will. They are my ex-students, Ruchi and Siddharth.
Hi.
And this is Rohit, Mohit, Yash and your namesake Siddharth.
Ma'am, can I join my square?
Of course you can. So we were on activity 15, right?
I guess, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's word power. I am horrible in it when it comes to spellings, grammar, writing skills. I am horrible in English itself, ma'am.
Mohit, don't worry. We are all there to help you. You see, even I had stage fear, but English Smart has helped me to conquer over this phobia.
Mohit, Yash is absolutely right. After all, no one can become a connoisseur within a day.
But, ma'am, what does something con mean, ma'am?
First of all, it's pronounced as connoisseur and it means a person who has knowledge and appreciation for something.
Oh.
Now, Rohit, can you tell me about a place where you go to have coffee?
Of course, ma'am. CCD.
What? What's that?
Cafe Coffee Day.
No, Rohit, it's cafeteria. Ma'am, we have finished this activity. Let's move to the other one. It's rhyme time, my favorite.
Okay, now, so I want you all to write a poem about your hobby.
Ma'am, I have finished it. Can I recite it?
Of course you can.
Siddharth, fast. Game time is pending. My hobby. Writing books is my hobby. Recently, I wrote a book named Sunny, which was very much funny. The character I like the most is Brownie. My first book was Atmosphere.
My friend helped me, whose name was Shakespeare. The language we wrote was very much tough, especially in the book, which was rough. We both went to New York. We both together stayed in a hotel named San Maria Top. I met many great people. One person gave me the gift made by people. After returning to my homeland, immediately I wrote a poem named Sand. Writing poems became my hobby, made my life very much happy. Thank you.
That was very good. Won't you clap for him? Okay, this week our game time is an abbreviation finder. I'm writing down some abbreviations. Please note them.
Ma'am, what's the meaning of abbreviation?
They are short forms.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can you give it as a homework?
No, Mohit, I don't prefer homeworks.
Okay, ma'am. Can you ask it orally?
Let me try. Rohit, full form of AIIMS.
Ma'am, it's All India International Mental Society.
Mohit,
Ma'am, it's all India. Ma'am, I don't know it.
it's okay. Siddharth,
Ma'am, I didn't learn it, ma'am.
Yash,
Ma'am, I think All India Institute of Medical Science.
very well. Keep it up. Mohit, full form of AIR.
Ma'am, mixture of gases.
Mohit, I didn't ask air. I asked full form of AIR. Rohit,
Ma'am, I don't know, ma'am.
okay. Siddharth,
Attack on Indian Railways, ma'am.
please don't crack jokes.
Ma'am, cracks are only on glass, ma'am,
Not in our class.
Okay, now I'm going to dictate some abbreviations. Please write down. SPCA. Everything should be written in capitals and a dot after each and every letter. It's Society for Prevention of Cruelty Towards Animals. BSF. Border Security Force.
Next, ma'am.
Okay, SOS. Save our souls.
Ma'am, can you say the full form of Aloha?
Oh, it's Abacus Learning of Higher Arithmetic.
Ma'am, I have it out. What's the full form of AES?
You don't know that?
No, ma'am.
That's Aloha English Smart, with which you're becoming smart.
Is it?
Yes. Can you wait for a few minutes? I'll go and fetch some books. In that time, Siddharth and Ruchi will share their experiences with you.
Hey Mohit, you know, before joining English Mart, I was just like you. I was very weak in grammar, writing poems, and many more. You know, after completing my course, I have overcome my weakness and it made it my strength.
Yes, friends, Siddharth is right. English Mart is a good course to learn English. I hope you will continue with the coming levels.
Yes, we are continuing.
Children, pack your bags. Time's up. Your parents must be waiting. Siddharth, Ruchi, will you join me? I need to talk to you.
Yes, ma'am.
So you have I